your hobbies after that. And it is by art is time constantly to hear possibility for them. So she always one and take one by one. One by one. The one by one. The amount of luminescent density, the amount of luminescent density, CG courses and you control this of the particular student as work and course. Okay, so the following work is PLC related as in work and the course. Okay. Basically, you are talking about work and course which is related. Basically, what you talk about electric potential. Okay, so electric potential equal electric work divided by charge. We talk about electric intensity that is force divided by charge. So, electric potential and electric intensity to check it. So, this is what you look at the point can is related as in work and the force. So, here you are talking about here you are talking electric potential, you are talking about work, electric force. Take it's a small thing, but as I unit usually the for certain quantity vary by that given that quantity is so person is talking about SI unit and say yes unit of certain quantity vary by 10 to the times and that quantity is and this units are available over here multiple grams of times per that comes so see actually SI is certain quantity you can check it the value is okay so G is SI unit 6.61 10 to the power minus 11 and capital G 6.61 into 10 to the power minus 8. You can convert into easily, you can convert to Newton meters per kg power minus 2 into Celsius dyne and Newton is for dyne and meter centimeters per kg gram. For you can check it 1 Newton is 10 to the power 5 relations will come here you can solve it. So you will get redemption cost. It's easy question, but some other time you need take time to think about it. This question velocity proportional to the power and such power when the value of x is in 80% doable question. You can use time this. I want to explain so many times this question. You can do directly also by this method. So I say yours you want to solve or you want to check it. Okay, yeah. In this question, the pairs of physical quantity having the same dimensional formulas, question is given momentum, and if I say this is also correct, okay, this having same dimension. I'm not going to start. Oh, 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 oh. Have the energy density and pressure have its energy density energy per unit volume pressure is force per unit area. So just check it. This is what you get. See, you watch. Okay. You get same dimension. It's again important, but you have to be aware and you solve this question. Each question times a formula. This will be present. Each question is moment of inertia. Next question, empty of order of liquid density vibrating under surface tension as given by the formula is basically you find the relation where air is radius of this ABC. A is given already. C is given the question talking about B. A and C is already given talking about C. Easy question you can do it easily. Put the value. You don't need to solve this. Put the value, you will get the answer. Okay, yeah. Just write all the answer, you will get it. In this case, the pair of quantity is not having the same function formula, excessive gravity and torque, angular momentum. This compares a torque and angular momentum have different dimensions of the pressure and modulus velocity. If we check it's the same dimensions and acceleration, gravitational field, acceleration, gravitational field, acceleration, same dimensions. It's easy question, dual question. You can do this if you are aware about this. Pair of single quantities having the same dimensional formula. Pair of quantities having the same dimensional formula is that and force not work and energy. Same force and torque will not okay and work and powers we will go with work and energy. Each some of the time so okay much of light questions will be but because the people who is aware they can do that question but people are not most people are not aware. So that's why They don't do even these questions. The pair of physical quantity having the same dimension from like angle, momentum, and torque. Question talking about these different dimension torque, angle, momentum, and torque. We check it once torque and entropy, and this will different power, angular momentum. You can check one by one. It's good. Okay, so none having same dimensions. That's a good question. Dual question. You can do this question if you are aware about it. It's a unit of magnetic flux. Magnetic flux. So Weber per meter square also we used in magnetic flux. Okay, question is talking about you can use magnetic flux is what Tesla per meter square. You can use it. This is also needed there. This is also Weber. So Weber is the answer. Okay, so next question is that okay. Planck's constant is the same dimensions as energy power. Later on, this easy question. Angular momentum and Planck's constant are the same dimension. If you know where you can do this question, how many of there in 1 kilowatt hour. So question is talking about how many works. So basically, the works in unit of the joule. Okay, so from here, you can actually solve it this further. And 1 kilowatt hour is 50.6 into 10 to the power 6. And just if you multiply by 10 to the power 7, it should come 10 to the power 30. Was check it 1 to the power 10 to the power 7 or so 1 to the 7 or 6 will be you will get answer number 30. It's easy questions, dual questions, but if you are aware then only can this question and unit of angular momentum, CGS unit is okay. The question is talking about in CGS unit angular momentum, CGS questions are very simple. Just put this one, Joule angular. That's what the butterfly unit which has the same power in the dimension of Coulomb surface crystal viscosity. Again, check it one by one, you will get the answer that is mass. Next was electron voltage, unit of power, potential, and electron charge and energy. So electron voltage is the unit of energy. You don't know, you should know these concepts. Okay, the dimension formula for a topic. So each question you can do this. I'm living for you. I already explained the reason here. Dimensionlessness of the equation velocity, pressure difference, density gives the value of x. So you can put out the value one by one. Pressure gradient is pressure per unit length. So this you can solve it, you will get the answer one by one. You can check it. Next question is that for the equation. Here force is A power A, B power B, T power C. F is force, A is the area, B is the velocity, T is the density, and dimensional formula given the following. This formula question talking about this formula. You can put one by one, you can solve this value, you will get the answers. Next question, dimensional formula for angular velocity is you can find out it's easy question, you can do this question. Basically question from your angular velocity is angular displacement divided by theta. Theta by T, theta have no dimension, but T has dimension is always keep take care of the theta angular velocity, have the distance 10 to the power minus, so you can take care of the thing. Next question is that okay, a simple harmonic oscillator such a mass and amplitude frequency and the displacement x and kinetic energy the equation this in dimensional simple harmonic oscillator has a mass and amplitude this all this given in 40 year value you can get the dimension basically a minus x will be L you can check it one by one you'll get the answer it's easy question the equation equal to p is given and find out you can check if this is correct or not okay switch it check it so you'll answer get the answer will be only with that person. If the velocity projected by beam force and work, then this quantity are taken as fundamental quantity and the correct dimensions of the mass will be specifically talking about. We are going to solve this question. Okay, this is another. Okay, you will get the relation and the relation. Yes, I will test constantly. Easy question. You can remember this. Some of the time it's important that you want to feature the power management, LVK power management. So as I already told, Stephen constant is very, very important because from here you can power is equal to sigma E or E A T to the power 4 is less than equilibrium. So A is 4 and E A T power 4 you can type like this in the problem. So this is meter power minus 1, this is the power minus 4. This is what from here you can do it in a second. Maybe you already correct it in it's repeat take this question that's equal to a this by as the speed by and the unit of beat. So basically you need if you see b y t you can find out from a you can find out the dimension of a from here and you can find out the dimension once you find out the dimension of a basically will be the dimension of s is the speed so a is the speed from here y is displacement question is in diameter the dimension of b you can from a directly find out minus b by t so basically what if I say B Y T is like this B Y T is one so Y the already displacement and the green B is B is equal to 1 by Y into P. So if you y is already displacement, so beta minus 1 as minus check it once this is coming or not. Here, solve it. You will get the value. It's easy question, it's not like that you can't deal with it, but you will just appear if the time vibration liquid drop depends on the surface tension, radius, and drop density liquid and the expression. You can solve this question easily. You can find out the relation, find out the values, do it, do it. The next was the dimension of resistivity in terms of MLT and equivalent stand for the dimension of charge. So you can find out from again here dimension of resistivity in terms of basically what question is talking about that. This is resistivity proportional to the power A and power B, T to the power C and T to the power D. This is just a reference you can check on I want and no issue. You don't need to solve this otherwise it will consume your time. Just put the values and check it trial method and you can eliminate so many method options directly. And if you solve it or directly it's better find resistance resistivity from here this equation you can say check this value you can get this concept or better now find out the dimensions of resistivity from this equation and just put this value. So it's easy you can by so many methods not like only one method is fixed and rigid to it okay two slopes can be given dimensions should be at 50% more than the each dimensions of slope content B as compared to A is also when given dimensions of B as 50% more than the each dimensions of a two slopes and B the slope content of B as compared to A is so basically dimensions is of this is given 50% more. So if you check it, so volume you need to take 1.L into B into H. So don't see some of the time you will think the L into B, but no, it's about the space LBH. And just solve it 27 by 8. And from here what you are getting 3.375 check it once so you'll get this value which is equal to dual question. You can't believe this such question but so all questions directly. So real quantity measure then result is space and then you get you really this you can if the result is expressed in various groups then and is inversely proportional to this is very famous question. You can do this question. Okay. So it's easy, but you will just keep some level of understanding required to solve the questions. Next question in the course is given by I'm not doing this question, I will do this question. Dimension of force will be dimension of 80 and equal to dimension of PT square. I already solved, you can check it. Next question, I'm solving when dealing with body weight in gram and then measure it. The possible error is in gram is not then the maximum possible error in the density and possible error in the density delta D equal to mass delta M by M plus of delta M by all all information is given over here, so we'll put the values here and the answers. Easy question, not doable. You can't do that not like that. It's very, very easy and doable. But you have to aware what I say, you have to take care of the things and only will do this question. I'm under production electrical circuit depends upon the current resistance to have the error, vary the measurement of the quantity, the maximum possible error. It's a very, very important question that's equal to I square into T. So this is what 2 delta I twice of delta I by I plus of 2 delta R by R divided by plus of delta D by T from here to solve these questions and you can find out value easily. So yes, I'm leaving it on you okay, that you can handle these questions and I'm going for the and divisions of various scale vernier scale to consider n plus 1 division vernier scale. If division of major scale is A units and the least count of units to say what is least count MSD minus D minus of ESD and divisions on the main scale of vernier calipers and division on main scale okay coincides with n plus 1 divisions of the vernier scale. So see n plus 1 of the vernier scale coincides with n division. So if you talk about one division okay so this is n and this is what will okay MSD just do like this n plus 1 division of vernier scale plus n plus 1 think like this 1 plus 1 ESD is n MSD n MSD n MSD. So 1 ESD is 1 ESD is n by n plus 1 n by n plus 1 MSD. So just from here what to do just to do like this okay MSD minus n by okay n by n plus 1 MSD n by n plus 1 MSD. If you take MSD common so if you take MSD common from here what do you get n by n plus Again, the common from here, so whatever n plus 1 is here, and this is what n plus 1 minus of n. So this is 1 by n plus 1. 1 by n plus 1 is coming, and this 1 MST is equal to A. So basically, A by n plus 1 should come. Okay, so this is okay. So so this will be the answer. This is okay. You can do by easily method as well. Okay, no issue. It's like number of heads on scale division divider. By any means, you will get this answer. But easy question, famous questions, you know, all these questions. Even K general division case time of the so then the matter of no diagrams of models and easily you can read a surface tension possible to A power A, B power B, and T power C. From here you can do these questions. You should not ignore this question. What I am telling you, you should not ignore these questions. What I am telling you, you can do these questions easily. See, this question student measure the diameter of a wire system with the list count is given and listed. The measured value should be recorded as this is list count. Okay. So list count the number of see you see here list count is so you have to measure the up to 3 digits. So this is the result. This is wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. It's very easy question. You can mention the figures of list count. You can maintain the figure of list count. The last question then after we will end up. So elliptical systems are conducting length and area systems. They are is an oil power system. What is the type of probability conducting rows such that the synchronous system with the question to be what is the formula for elliptical sigma is basically 1 by rho. So from here you can find out rho easily and input the value. The take recipe will give the answer, but famous questions. So it takes time. So the time if you don't know the basic in order to solve it, it consumes your time. So this is definitely will help you and actually thank you.